Welcome back, everybody. So guys, in this lecture we're going to talk about another thing of the Bootstrap. We're going to talk about the buttons. We already can use the buttons by using the simple HTML and CSS, but there Bootstrap has some unique styles for the buttons. So I'm just going to guide you how we can do that and how we can apply the buttons here. So the div, and inside the div I'm just going to add the class like that, and inside the class I'm just setting the call, and I'm just going inside the call, and here I'm just gonna put something like first of all I'm just gonna make a button like in this way. Okay, it's cool, I've made a button, and now the next thing I need to do is to dimension the type, which is not necessary. I'm just gonna go here, I'm just gonna put that, click here. The most common thing we just type on a button. So then I'm just gonna put a class here, and inside the class I'm just gonna put something like the BDN. First of all, the BDN, and after the BDN primary, or what kind of BDN it is. So the primary, and going to the browser and going there and refreshing that. It was the old thing, by the way, previously. Okay, so there is the click here. That means the button I've added, and you can see that after adding the primary style to that button, we've got this this glowing blue color, the primary theme of the Bootstrap. Okay, right before the buttons or any elements, I'm just gonna add the BR. Well, that's not necessary. I'm just adding some kind of extra blank space, so I'm just doing this. Okay, so go to the browser back and refresh that now, and I'm just refreshing that, and there you can see that there was a little space. So now you can see that the button clearly. Okay, if I just remove that, things will be absolutely changed, and refresh that. Now you can see that this has no style, and if I just remove both of the things, now you'll be seeing something really different from what we have. So it is actually the general the HTML button. Now it has a Bootstrap button style. Okay, now we can make another one, so I'm just absolutely gonna make it. I'm gonna make another one for now. I'm just gonna copy that and just gonna paste it here, and now I'm not gonna make the primary again. I'm just gonna make something different, like I'm just simply gonna make a secondary button. Okay, secondary, save it. Now go to the browser and refresh that, and now you can see that there is a secondary button. Okay, it has a different style, and what if I say we have some more styles too. So right after the secondary button, I'm just gonna put the info. So just removing the primary thing and just putting the info here and saving and going to the browser and refreshing that. So there you can see that the info style. I'm going down and making another one, just removing the primary, and all good. And there I just want to type the success, another style. We have a lot of styles here in the Bootstrap. You can see that this is a success one, and I'm just gonna go to the next one, and the next one I'm just gonna make here is the danger one. Absolutely, the red in tune, the danger is something which should look like dangerous stuff. So refresh that. Here you can see that it's dangerous column. By the way, if I just go down and just remove the primary again and just put something like warning, so save it, and now go to the browser and refresh that. So there is a warning. I can see I'm going back and just pressing a line break and saving, and now I'm making a BDN, which is another interesting one. I'm just going to the browser and refreshing that. You can see that it's dark one. Okay, the dark one, and then I'm just gonna absolutely a kind of a combination. I'm just gonna put here the light one, light, save it, and go to the browser to just spark the light. Here you can see that it's light one. Okay, that's kind of cool. I'm just going there and just line breaking and pasting another one, and after the light one, I just want to put the link. I just want to put the link here. So I'm just deleting all the previous stuff and just gonna make the BTN link, and now I'm going to the browser back here and refreshing that. So you can see that there is a simple link. If you just want to make a simple link, you just need to put this thing, the link, the BDN link here, and go in there and you can see that it's the click here option. Okay, that's cool. I'm going there, and okay, I've got everything we just need there. Okay, so what more is necessary for now? um, one thing I just want to clarify here, that this is not necessary to use everything on a button. We just can use the inputs, the input type, and here we go, here we go, here we go. Here now we just need to clarify that I just want to make a button, or we can say it's submit, whatever way you want, and then the class again. You can do the same things you did previously. So bdn primary and saving, and now going to the browser. Right after this, click here, refresh that. You can see that there is something we just got previously. Okay, awesome. If you just want to change the text of this one, you need to put this and add in space and go there and put something like we previously had. The click here stuff and refresh that. Now you can see that there is no difference between both of them. That means actually we've done what we just wanted. Okay, if you just want to make you can see that we just can make a button into a link. But what if we just want to make a link into a button? So right after that input, I'm just going to make a input, the hyper reference, and here I'm just simply adding in hash, because I don't want to redirect this page to anywhere. And click here again, and there I just want to make it a button. So we do not need to put a type, because ultimately, because it is an the anchor element, so the type is clear, it's a link. But we can add the button classes here. So bdn I'm just gonna put the I just put the bdn danger and go to the browser and refresh that. So you can see that there is no difference between this danger and this danger. However, this is a button and this is a link. So this is how Bootstrap works. Okay, with buttons. Okay, I think we just understood these things. There is another chapter in a Bootstrap I think we should talk about. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the next column. Cool. Here I'm just gonna make another column. Okay, spelling clear. Column. I'm going inside this column and I'm just making a button again, and there is something different I just want to put. First of all, I just need to clear the class, which is again the bdn and then bdn outline. I just want to color only the outlines of the button. So outline, and which style we want to apply here with the outline. For example, you just want to apply the success first, save it, now go to the browser and refresh that. So there you can see that. Okay, there is I need to put the text again here, or whatever you like you can put. Just refresh that so you can see that. This is, you can see that the click here of the success, and there is the only outline. Okay, this is awesome. I'm just gonna simply copy that. Oh well, paste it. This is on you. If you think it's awesome, it's awesome. If you just don't want to use this style, so maybe it's not really awesome for you for now, but it's at least a cool thing. Okay, I'm deleting that. I'm just making a dark and a light one. Okay, the dark and the light one here. So the light, save and go to the browser and check if it's actually what we wanted. Okay, perfect. Go in the back end, actually just go in there, and right after the light and dark, I'm just putting the warning, and right after the warning, I just wanted to show you how things looking here. The primary, and after the primary, I just want to put the secondary. So secondary, okay, there, line break, and there I just want to put another one. Okay, danger, we've put it almost everything. The info, save. Now go to the browser backend. Let's just check how things working actually. Okay, this is, you can see that it's the light one, and you can see that when I just hover the mouse, things are actually changing everywhere. So the colors are changing. It's this is really cool, I think. So we just talked about the basics of the button styling, but still there is something we have in a button section we can do. So I'm going to make another column, or I'm simply gonna make another row because already we have two columns. So I'm just gonna make a row here, the class and the row, cut it and paste it here, and I'm just going inside. And the and what more I just wanted to do right here is the div and the class. Okay, and then save it. Cool. I'm going inside and just making a button, and okay, here I'm just typing again the click here. Actually, I just wanted to show you something really interesting here, and I'm just applying the class bdn primary. Okay, save. Now go to the browser, refresh that. We've got something here. In the next row, I'm just instead of making something different, why not I just simply put the br like we did previously. So refresh that. Okay, there is new row we're getting. And what more I just want to do, I just actually want to make it something really interesting. So we need to put here the bdn lg save. First of all, I just want to make a basic bdn, and then I just want to make another one, bdn primary again. This is not necessary, but we can use that. And now I'm just going to apply the bdn lg, and I'm just going to go down and make another one. Actually, we're talking about the sizes of the bdn, different bdns here. The bootstrap is actually pretty awesome. bdn bdn here I'm just gonna put the bdn info, or the warning is kind of cool, and then bdn sm, save it. Now go to the browser and refresh that. Okay, I did a little mistake by not putting, actually that's not a mistake, it's something we need to do. So we now make it done, refresh that. Now you can see that this is a general size, and this is the lg, and this is a small one. So I think I should call the small one first, so it'll be more unique to understand. Refresh that. Now you can see that the small one, the default one, and the lg one. So I think now things are more clearer. A few more things we have in style still, so we'll be talking about them in the next lecture. Stay tuned and goodbye.